Am I the only one that didn't know our planet is running out of water? It's time to get smart about saving every drop. First up, advanced irrigation techniques. Drip irrigation and smart systems can transform your garden into a water-saving wonderland. Next, swap out your old appliances for water-efficient dishwashers, washing machines and toilets. You'll save gallons with every use. Another game changer is rainwater harvesting. Collect and store rainwater to reduce your reliance on treated water. Speaking of reuse, Greywater Recycling lets you treat water from sinks and showers for irrigation and flushing toilets. Landscaping, go drought-resistant with native plants that thrive on less water. And don't forget, public awareness campaigns can spark a community-wide wave of conservation. Policies and regulations also play a critical role. Incentives, tiered pricing and restrictions can drive massive water-saving efforts. Finally, tackle leaks head-on with smart sensors and regular maintenance. By adopting these strategies, we can all contribute to a sustainable, water-wise future. Let's make every drop count.